Imagine doing your work, simply following rules, and then being slapped, threatened, or assaulted inside your own workplace. Unfortunately, this is not one isolated incident. Within a short span of time recently, multiple shocking incidents involving bank managers being physically assaulted have come to light from different parts of India. The first incident took place at an SBI NRI branch in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. According to reports, the branch manager was allegedly slapped by Ms. Kailavili, the daughter of a former Union Minister M.K. Alagiri, during a dispute over a malfunctioning lift in commercial building housing the branch. The incident reportedly occurred inside the branch premises. The second incident happened at the Bank of Maharashtra's Ashti branch in Jalna district, Maharashtra. According to reports, a customer approached the branch seeking details of a deceased customer's account. However, the branch manager reportedly informed them that such information could not be shared without the legally required documents. Instead of accepting the explanation, the situation allegedly escalated. The branch manager was reportedly abused, intimidated, and physically assaulted inside the branch. The third incident was recorded at the Central Bank of India, Khangaon branch in Maharashtra's Buldhana district. According to social media posts, a district president of the Swabhimani Shetkari Sanghatna allegedly slapped the branch manager during a dispute regarding his father's farm loan waiver. In a video, he claims that he had visited the bank to ask why his father's loan waiver had not been approved. The argument allegedly escalated, ending with the branch manager being assaulted inside the branch. Unfortunately, the list of such incidents doesn't end there. Another shocking case has now been reported from the Indian Bank, Hardevpuri branch in New Delhi. According to reports, the branch had mistakenly transferred money to the wrong account. When the branch manager contacted the customer and requested that the amount be returned, the situation allegedly took a violent turn. The customer allegedly assaulted the branch manager inside the branch. These are just a few of the incidents that have made headlines in recent times. Similar incidents of abuse, intimidation, and physical assaults have been reported on several occasions over the years across different parts of the country. The incidents have triggered strong reactions from bankers across social media, with many expressing frustration, fear, and demanding stronger protection. One banker wrote, "If the railways can have their own police force, why can't banks have dedicated security to protect bankers?" Another commented that repeated attacks have reached a point where bankers should go on an indefinite strike until strict laws with stringent punishment are introduced for those who assault bank employees. Several bankers pointed out that the real issue often lies in confusion surrounding government policies. One post read, "The confusion regarding debt waiver is created by the government, but the heat is being faced by bank employees." Another banker highlighted an important point. He wrote, "The banker at Khangaon was not making government policy. He was only implementing it. Governments announce loan waivers, subsidies, DBT and welfare schemes, but when public anger erupts, the banker becomes the target." Many users echoed the same concern, that frontline bankers are often blamed for decisions that are actually framed by governments, regulators, or bank management, while branch officials are only responsible for implementing those rules. Several posts demanded immediate arrest of those responsible for the assaults and renewed calls for a Bankers Protection Act, arguing that attacks on bankers are attacks on the country's financial system itself. Others questioned why, despite repeated incidents, arrests and legal action appear slow, asking authorities to ensure swift justice. Some bankers also spoke about the working conditions inside branches. One comment said, "Bankers are working in unsecured conditions. People forget that bank employees are human beings, and grievances should be addressed through proper channels. Another described the assault as an extremely condemnable and law-defying incident, while urging the administration to ensure the safety of every bank employee. Overall, the message from the banking community is consistent. They say that whether it involves loan waivers, KYC requirements, RBI regulations, or government schemes, bank employees are simply carrying out official duties. They believe disagreements should be resolved through legal and administrative channels, not through intimidation or violence inside bank branches.